Welcome to Wrightsville Beach MarineMax. My name is Brandon Woodard, and today I'm going to introduce you to the new 2020 Scout 255 LXF. This particular hull color is midnight blue. On the transom, we've got twin 150 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke outboards. Really nice synthetic teak on the transom of the boat, and a wide entryway into the aft of the vessel. Across the aft of the vessel, you'll notice we've got rod holders and a nice flip-up seat that tucks away nicely for plenty of room and activities. On the transom, we've also got a deep live well. On the gunnels, we've got rod storage on both sides with bolsters that follow all the way up to the bow. This particular boat is equipped with the deluxe leaning post. This includes rod holders that are glassed in, stainless steel cup holders, and another live well directly below. We've got grab rails and a Yeti cooler to keep your beverages nice and cold. As we move forward, you'll notice the fiberglass T-top with the speakers molded in. We've also got the Garmin chart plotter, your Lenco trim tabs, the twin Yamaha digital throttles, and the power knob on the steering wheel to give it a nice feel. With the deluxe leaning post, we've also got the armrests and the thigh rise bolsters on both sides. Moving forward, directly beneath, we've got a Dometic head. This particular vessel holds 132 gallons of fuel and a capacity for people of 11. We've also got a nice lounge area in the front, directly in front of the console as well, and beneath we've got an ice box or a cooler that does drain. On both sides up here, these are insulated ice boxes as well. One of my favorite features about this boat is the picnic edition. It's got cup holders on both sides, plenty of room to entertain. We've also got a cooler directly beneath for your sandwiches or beverages. The windlass is tucked away directly under the non-skid bow. You've got your controls right here and at the helm. You'll also notice the rod holder cup holders and the recessed stainless steel cleats. If you'd like to check this boat out, feel free to stop by at Wrightsville Beach MarineMax. My name is Brandon Woodard, and our phone number is 910-256-8100.